welcome back everyone. Now originally I wasn't going to do a video on this, but when I found out how hard it is to find any information about it, I thought I'd do the research and let you lot know. So I'm cleaning this filter, the Dreamscience foam filter. Now the question is, do you oil it or don't you? Even Pipercross themselves tend to have mixed reviews on it. I mean, 1 minute them saying yes, even on the video they're saying yes, oil it, clean it, oil it, and then on the instructions in the packaging they're saying if it's a dry filter, don't oil it. So I remember contacting Dreamscience and a few other companies, and they said you can wash it and leave it to dry and it's fine, or if you want to apply a bit of oil, which I think is best because obviously it's a free flowing air filter, so you want to make sure you don't get any fine dust in it. So you can apply a small amount of oil on it, only a small amount, especially on these cars, because the MAF sensors are very, very delicate on them. So I'm going to show you quickly what's inside. So that's your air filter cleaner. Now some people do use Fair Liquid, but I think it's a small price to pay for a dedicated cleaner. At least you know it's done the job. And that's your oil. Now compared to the K&N, these are smaller bottles. K&N do give you bigger bottles. Now I'm not sure whether you can use any of them on each filter, but just for this sake, just use Pipercross. That's the brand it is, so just use that for this one. So first of all, just brush off any loose dirt. Now all I'm going to do is just quickly rinse out some warm water inside to out, that way without not putting the dirt back inside, and then put the air filter cleaner on. Right everyone, so now I've left this filter to dry for 48 hours now, as I was working away, so it wouldn't be the ideal time to be doing this. Now I'm going to put a very fine layer of oil on it, so to help get a fine layer I'm going to try and spray at quite a fair distance, so I can cover a larger area rather than get too close and concentrate too much on a small area, if that makes sense. So